started.
Okay, buddy, you ready?
You ready?
You ready for your stocking? Papa, come on, it's stocking time.
Come on, Loki, come on, boy. Come on.
Let's go. Come here.
Huh? What's it? Oh. It's a guitar.
Yes, guitar toy.
He loves it.
Lucky don't know. He's like, I don't know stockings yet.
It's a giraffe. Woo.
Zeus getting something else out of your stocking.
What's this? It's
All
an
American
clothes.
Barker.
No, that's not toys.
A bomb.
this?
It's a bomb.
Aww. Look.
He's like, no, it's mine.
Well, this is
Oh,
gonna be one
Oh
they let
no,
you
look
play
at this
with.
toy.
He's too
He's like, no, I want that one.
Elephant.
Wow, look at his little tail. Yeah.
Zeus. Oh, it's treats.
You want some treats?
Uh-oh.
Got everybody's attention.
Yep.
Everybody's here. They're like Christmas morning. Treats.
Treats. Yay.
They love treats.
Casey in the floor. No, broke.
Crazy. You don't want this? It smells good. What's this?
Different ones.
No way.
Yay.
I think this is it.
And then carry out treats. Yay.
You all love carry out treats.
And Loki is over there.
Having a field day with his treat. All the
Grilled
pups.
chicken snacks.
All the pups love their treat.
Casey can. I don't know if Casey can eat it or not.
No.
Casey.
He's gonna get that with that other treat in his mouth. He came and picked it up.
Oh, whoa.
Grilled chicken.
Well, that was all in their stocking.
A little bit.
I think that they're all pretty content with what they got. The
What
pups got a
about,
bunch of
look,
new
there's Daisy. There's little mama.
Daisy just ate one of
There's
these.
this Trito.
I think she did. She loved it.
Snacks everywhere.
Wait, there's one on my foot. Oh, there was.
Oh,
Merry Christmas, puppies.
Everyone. Jesus.
But this is a great.
I
Dun,
mean,
dun, dun,
Yeah, that's not for
dun, dun.
nope, I think that this would kill every dog in the house.
But they'd be happy.
Oh, absolutely.
Did you get it?
Hi, baby. I love you. Justin and his big old Reese cup.
Yeah.
If I don't go into a diabetic coma from this, then I don't know what.
Zeus! Zeus!